time for an honest review of Resorts World Las Vegas Crockfords Tower, the most luxurious tower here at Resorts World. If you're looking for high-end VIP experience here in Vegas, this might be the hotel for you. But is it worth the splurge? Let's find out and off we go! Sorry, I just entered from Hilton Resorts World. And
You need key to enter.
thank you so much. There must be another entrance. Wow.
I thought Hilton was nice, but this is very elegant and classy.
It's so pretty. And no one's waiting. I'd like to check in, please.
It's not quite noon yet.
But not noon.
About 11:30.
But you're doing pre-check-in. Okay, awesome. Can I please have a high floor facing the strip?
Let's see. Right now you have a room that's already facing the strip.
Awesome.
All of our floors are high.
Yeah.
59 and above. Yeah. That is the benefit of staying at Crockfords.
6 a.m. to 11 a.m. coffee and tea service over there. Well, this is a new experience for me at the Las Vegas Strip. Usually, they come on a certain floor where you can have all of these facilities. But here at Crockfords, it's free from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. You get yogurt and also some pastries. You can absolutely do this before your check-in. Just come before 11 a.m. Our room is not ready and it's okay. They gave us a key to roam around. I think I'm gonna go lounge at the pool first. The fitness center is on the way, so might as well show it to you, right? Ooh, there's Apple, but is it real? Haha, yes it is! They call it a one-off fitness and they also have a store and the brands are pretty good. I am so tempted to work out, but I think I'm gonna reserve my knee for the pool and the walking. As you can see, the machines are top of the line. There's also free water here, and not just that, they have fizzy water for you as a choice. Let's try it out! Approve! I won't forget my water bottle next time. Ooh, they also have cold, moist towels. Oh my, this is so refreshing. I just received a text that our room is ready, so I think I'm just gonna grab the key and change in our room. Thank you! Isn't this place so nice?
Hold near the reader, 59.
Okay, so far they've been consistent. I mean, look at this hallway.
Yes, please. Michael's fast.
I just really want to quickly change to get to the pool.
Ooh, there's light down there.
But this is our closet. We're gonna grab a rope and they also provide slippers. Crockfords has their own exclusive pool for the guests.
During alcohol beverages.
It's 85 degrees now here in Vegas. I'm feeling hot because I'm wearing this robe. Now I'm feeling cold because I sat on water. After a while, it gets refreshing.
It's like everyone's moving to the Athena pool because it's finally open.
By the way, this pool is for 21 years old and above. You should also check the schedule because at this time, it's open only from Thursdays to Sunday, but it could be open daily now. This is their cabana. Check it out. It's really nice, cozy. I like this wooden style. Kind of native. I like it. They have a locker, cabinets, and also a refrigerator. This is their secondary pool, and here's where everyone takes their photos. This is the famous infinity pool of Resorts World. The water is perfect. It's not that cold actually. Well, it says do not sit. Well, you shouldn't because you might fall. It's a beautiful day today and the views are fantastic. This is the pool view. It's only 5th floor, but it's still nice. Let's get out of here. I need to shower and go grab something to eat because I'm hungry. Are you? The Athena pool is pretty cool. I will never miss it. While we're at it, let me show you the shower. The chandelier marble tiles make this so classy.
This is a nice touch.
I like their attention to details like this lit mirror, makeup remover, and there's a vanity box with mouthwash, shower cap, and vanity kit, manicure kit, shave kit, and toothbrushes. They do have the same toiletries as Hilton, but I'm not complaining. This bathroom is well lit with towels over here because we have an ADA shower. This is me thinking if I booked an ADA room or they saw me limping and booked one for me. Nonetheless, it's all good.
Let's try it out. Ooh. Oh, that's hot and cold. Let's want this one.
Oh, that's hot and cold too. Oh, that's for this one. It's good pressure. We're gonna change it to this one. Ooh, okay. Good pressure too. And we flooded the whole floor. Whoa. Whoa. How is this so high up there? These are the high-end restaurants. Might have this one or this one.
Sonori. We're having casual dining right now because later on we will find out if we will have delicious dinner or drink our sorrows away. So wait for it. We're gonna play the casino later.
Resorts World has a bunch of happy hours from their nice restaurants. We chose this place because they start early at 3 p.m. I'm gonna sit right at the bar because happy hour I think sits here and it's good for our knees. Is your pizza prepared in a firewood oven?
Yeah,
Wow. Okay, that seals the deal.
it's a pretty big pizza too.
Ooh, their outdoor patio is nice too. I'd sit there next time. Open kitchen. A very nice dining area. We got Diet Coke. How cute is this? And I always request lime with it. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty hungry right now. I wonder if I can finish the whole pepperoni pizza right here. This looks fire, including the cheese. Oh my goodness, let's take a bite. Happy dance! How do you eat your pizza? I use my hands for it. We're using our hands, but having silverware and napkin makes this space so bougie. Also, just to let you know, I have a lot to say, but our mic is not working so well today. This is the sound coming from it. That's why we're doing a lot of voiceovers. This is our total bill.
I'm getting weak at eating. I'm having this to go right now. I ate 3 slices and holy smoke, the Diet Coke is $8. And he asked me if I want another one. I'm like, no thank you.
I'm gonna try the Ala Lounge. Could you hold us please? Thank you. Ala Lounge.
Okay. What can we find here? The lounge is right here.
I've heard a lot of good stuff about this lounge, so might as well view it.
Hi. What's up? It looks lovely here. So, sit anywhere, order.
So the table, there's a 2-item minimum per person. And
Okay.
you have the bar, that's no minimum, it's open seating.
Okay, I'm gonna look around. Thank you.
In the middle for you.
Thank you so much. Okay, this is Rooftop bar and wow. What a lovely view you have here. Oh, the sun is setting perfect. Okay, this is the bar. You can actually play here. That's cool. Sorry, can I ask, who's that? Who's that guy? Prince Charles? Wow, it's a good-looking version of him. Okay, Prince Charles.
We saw the South Strip a while ago, and this one we see the north side and the downtown area of Las Vegas.
When does someone get to play the piano?
We normally have a live show Thursday through Sunday at 9 p.m. There's different people, so sometimes it's a violinist, singer.
Oh, what is this? Louis VIII. How much is it? 1/2 is $175 and 2 ounce is $600. I think this is a good hang during sunset. It's gonna be so beautiful. See a bit of the sphere from here.
I'll definitely come back here. This is amazing.
Oh, it smells really good in the hallway, and when we go to our room, my gosh. It smells really good too. There's no adjoining door if you want to have roommates right next beside you.
The phone is ringing. Oh. Hello? Hello? No? Someone put the alarm.
Here is the fit check. It's not an ordinary bar. Because you have these cups, it makes it a little more bougie. Look at this. It's a pretty cup. And you have coffee here. But the coffee is premium. It's DeLonghi. Ooh, it's calling me. Lots of space here. Are you ready for our bed test? Yup, it's good.
It's actually a bit soft for me, but I still find it good. And we have, finally, king bed size bed because we can roll and not fall. Yep, it is soft. I'm sinking. I like their pillowcase. It's like very nice, very fancy. Sniff test, no smell, perfect. Right here, they have this leg for the bed, and I wear my shoes here, but I left it right there. Across us is a big television and a JBL surround sound. They have a place for the remote, perfect. And what is this? What the heck are you? Oh, I guess you just tap if you need something, huh? For food. Ah, that's pretty good. Let's go try it. Oh, there it is. Oh, cool. Locker right here. I haven't experienced this in hotel, but they do provide a Theragun. Oh, feels really good. If you don't want to lay down on your bed and you just feel like chilling or having a coffee, what? They have a chocolate. You have all these options with this spectacular view, which we're about to see right now. You gotta press. Hey, Resorts World. We have the view of the pool. We got a beautiful view of the mountain. And over here, we've got a beautiful view of the strip. We don't see the sphere, but I kind of see it from when it has a reflection. But the airport is also at the back of it. But look at that strip view right there. It's wonderful. Look at that mountain. It's so beautiful. Here's a full view of our room again, and I think you know what's next. It's time to bet $100 to see if we will win a delicious dinner or drink our sorrows away. We are staying at Crockfords tonight, and I'm thinking of betting at the high limit room because we've done this already during our stay at Hilton. What do we have here? Crockfords Club. Invited guests only. There's like a special table right here. What are odds that our $100 will last here at this slot machine, huh? I'm actually really shy to show my $100 here. I know it's nothing. So the smallest I've seen there is $50 and it's almost 100 for everything. I'm at the Crockfords Club private washroom right now, and check this out. They have a scope right here. Real plant right here. Gosh, it's so pretty. Let's do this. It's the 100 play poker. Nervous. Do you think our $100 will be gone in 15 seconds? Let's do a deuce y 100 play poker. One hand per bet. So that's $100 bet. 25 cents times 100 is $25. We have a cash of 100. So we only have 4 bets to go. Deal. $25 bet. There's nothing. Draw. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's not much. Oh, we lost. Deal. Nothing again. We actually won. We have this. Queen. Draw. We have to win here. There's not much. We tried here 3 times and our money was cut into half. But the good news is our money is not gone in 15 seconds. So let's try to move on to Blackjack. The machine didn't even give us a wild card. Let's go for the next one. I want to bet $25. Go deck. Deal. What's this Blackjack? 6 plus 5, 11. Hit. Hit. 20. Okay, we will stand. Stand. Oh, winner! We're gonna deal again. 16. Oh man. We're gonna stand. Stand. We lost. Stand. Oh, we actually won. Deal. Okay, that's 12.
Hit. Oh man. Should we drink or we still play? This is the time. We only have $2 left. Hit. 16. This is do or die. I mean, that's a 10. Hit.
On a 12, you busted.
Because I had this. Yeah. And then they have a queen. So, and it's do or die. I only have $2 left. So, I won't win. Anything I won't win. So I better hit. Deal. 12. We will still hit. We'll stand. Deal. So what's happening here is that we have a $25 bonus from Genting because we just joined last night and we didn't use it last night. This is a good card. We will stand. How dare you! We will deal again. Okay, this is good, okay? We will stand. Bust. We'll deal. Should we just stand? We'll stand. Hit. Okay, we will stand. No. Oh. Anyways, we will deal. Stand. You better be a 7 or an 8. Stand. Push. I am bust. 20. We will definitely stand. 7. We will hit. 17. No choice. You better be a 6. Come on. Stand. Okay, I think we're drinking our sorrows away. I have some sense. Hello.
How are you doing?
What's up?
For what?
One?
For the speakeasy?
Yes.
It's just 1 drink minimum. Is that okay?
Yes.
Intro.
Thank you. Wow. What? Okay. Hi. It's called Kitty Kitty. Mocktail. Classic.
Can I have
Yes.
the amo matcha?
The almond matcha? Yes, I got you. Is egg whites okay in the cocktail? We do a little bit of egg whites in there?
I love my protein.
Please.
Silence is everywhere, and you're not.
First